Editing a landing page in GetResponse is straightforward, but there are a few tricks that can help you maximize its potential for your business. Whether you're building a landing page for a new product, collecting leads, or promoting an event, GetResponse has a lot to offer, but it also has its quirks. Stick around because at the end of this video, we'll also show you an alternative solution that could be a better fit for your needs, especially if you're after some specific goals. First things first, when you open GetResponse, you're going to want to go to the Landing Pages tab. From there, you can either choose a pre-built template or create one from scratch. If you're new, I'd recommend starting with a template. This saves you time and ensures you're using designs that convert well. Next thing, let's talk customization. When you pick a template, you'll enter the editor, which might look a bit overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's not too difficult. On the left side, you'll see different elements that you can drag and drop, like text, images, and buttons, into your landing page. Make sure the elements are aligned properly. A clean, professional layout is key to keeping visitors engaged. The third thing you need to focus on is your form fields. If you're collecting emails or other data, customizing the form is a must. You'll find form settings on the right side of the editor. You can add fields like name, email, or phone number. But a word of caution here, keep it simple. Long forms can scare people off. Stick to what you need to qualify your leads. Moving on to the fourth thing, optimizing for mobile. Many users will be viewing your landing page on their phones, so make sure it's mobile-friendly. GetResponse lets you preview the mobile version of your page, so you can adjust elements like text size, images, and buttons to fit smaller screens. A mobile-optimized page ensures better user experience and conversions. Next, let's talk integrations. If you're using email marketing, you'll want to link your landing page to your email lists in GetResponse. Under the Action button, select Create Email Campaign or Add to List. This allows your leads to flow smoothly into your email funnel, which is critical for follow-up. The sixth thing to keep in mind is testing. Before you hit publish, you should always test your landing page. Check the form, the images, and the buttons. Make sure everything works as expected. GetResponse also offers A/B testing, which can help you figure out which version of your landing page works best for your audience. Now that you know how to edit a landing page in GetResponse, here's the catch. While GetResponse does a good job, there are other tools out there that might work better depending on your needs. For example, platforms like ClickFunnels and Leadpages offer more advanced features for building high-converting pages. They're great if you're looking for something more sophisticated or if you need features like split testing, easier integrations with external tools, or better analytics. At the end of the day, GetResponse is great for people just getting started or for simple pages. But if you need something more robust, I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you want to try out GetResponse for yourself, we've arranged an extended free trial that's only available to our viewers. And as a bonus, we'll show you other tools that might be a better fit for your specific goals. Check out the link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else.